So what do you think? I mean, this is so different to me, this kind of look. My hair looks shorter, but look at that. I like the way it made my hair coil. You know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Sunny Isle Jamaica Black Castor Oil Mousse. This product right here, you saw me use it in the previous clip, and I'm going to talk about it in this clip. Camera, you better pick this up. But yeah, this is something different. I like how it made my hair go coily. This could be like a wash and go kind of look. I only used this product after I washed and conditioned or deep conditioned my hair. I made sure I wanted to use other things, but I wasn't sure how this will react, so to say. And because I know you need to use mousse on clean, wet hair, that's why I just used the mousse. And this is the outcome. Like, can you see? It's taken a little while to dry. It's not 100% dry. It is maybe 2 hours, and it's not dry yet. I'm making it air dry, naturally dry. I'm not using the blow dry. I'm making it air dry, and I can still feel that the roots is a little bit damp. But you know what? I'm liking this though. I must admit, my technique when I was doing this in my hair, I didn't have a comb as usual, and you saw that as well. I'm raking through my hands. My hair was a bit knotty at the ends. Maybe some end sections were a little bit bigger and everything as well. I think my hair dries quickly sometimes because of the heat from the ring light, so to say. So make sure your hair is really wet before you put this mousse in your hair. Oh yes, it's infused with Jamaica Black Castor Oil as well, and it is paraben and sulfate free. What do you think? All I can say, this is so different, but I like it though. Because I always wondered what my hair would look like when it is shorter, or if it was shorter. I did trim my hair recently as well, and you will see that video eventually. We are in June now, so hopefully you see it before July. Hopefully this comes out before July as well, but who knows. But yeah, what do you think? Are you liking this? It's very different, like I say. Short, but looks cute, doesn't it? Like I said, it could be like a wet look kind of hairstyle. The only thing, my hair is not shiny, but you know what, it's a lightweight mousse, so I'm guessing I can use a hairspray, but not a water-based hairspray, to give it a little bit more shine. But yeah, I'm happy with this like look. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and make sure you come back to see another video of me using other hair products in my hair, and to do a hairstyle video, and to see the results of using that product in, you know what I'm talking about, yeah, to see how that hairstyle comes out using those products, because I've got a lot of products to use. You know I've got a lot of products to use. If you know me well, watching my videos, subscribe to my channel for a little while, I've got a lot of products to use, and I'm gonna try and get through them as quick as possible, shall I say. But yeah, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the review, product review on Sunny Isles, or it might come out before this video. Not quite sure yet, but yeah. This camera doesn't give my hair justice as well, because the curls are good. Look at that. Do you see that? Exactly. But yes, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna go now and play with my hair a little bit more. See you in the next video. See ya.